Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with another Valentine's Day tutorial or Valentine's Day themed jewelry tutorial. Today we're going to make his and hers bracelets or couple bracelets. So one's going to be masculine, one's going to be more feminine, but they're anybody can wear them. But anyway, these are going to be couples bracelets. So I'm going to go with black and red and like a darker silver for the men's bracelet, and then black and red for the women's bracelet, but it's just going to be a little bit more feminine. So I found this larger bead in my stash, this strand of African recycled glass in black, and then this cool bead. I think I got it from eBay, I don't know. So we're gonna make the men's bracelet first. This glass strand, don't know where it came from, to be quite honest. It could have been dollar bead, it could have been Pam back in the day when she was still selling beads, so I just don't remember. But I thought they were nice and dark, and you know, these bracelets can probably be worn throughout the year by the couple, especially if they like black and red. And then I had some lava, but I think, you know what, I'm going to try and get the lava in there. I don't know how successful I'm going to be, so I'm just going to open that up because I think I want it in there. And then I was looking for a spacer, and I wasn't really finding what I was looking for. I guess I just don't have a lot of gunmetal spacers. But I'm going to Tucson tomorrow, so maybe that'll be on my list. These daisies kind of match the look of that thing, so maybe we'll work those in. I don't know. And then I'm going to use some elasticity and one, 1 millimeter in black. I only have a little bit of that left, so might need to get some more. Okay, so I'm gonna start by putting on one of my African beads, then this guy, and then another African bead, because I liked how those fit within the bead itself. And then I'm gonna put on one of my red beads. I don't think I need the spacers. I think we're just gonna go 2 black beads, 1 red, 2 black beads, 1 red, 2 black beads, and then I'm gonna put on this big guy. And then do that pattern again. Actually, that's going to be too short, especially if we're doing a men's bracelet. Typically, I like to make those 7.5 to 8 inches long. Let's see how long I got right now. Well, we're at about 3.5 inches. No, I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be okay. I'll put this on. Can always finagle it later if I need to. That took us to 7 inches. And that took us just over 7.5, so we're good. All right, so I'm gonna stretch this out before tying. I'll tie 3 knots. 1, 2, 3. And I'll glue that in a minute. So our men's bracelet looks like that. Will coordinate pretty well with the bracelet we're gonna make. But the second bracelet's gonna be decidedly more feminine. Obviously, I didn't use the lava on that one. I don't think I'm gonna use it on the women's bracelet either. But I got out these check glass beads. Thought they were really pretty. So that's gonna echo the shape here, and it's gonna echo the silver. Okay, and then I have, so for the focal on this one, it's very different, but I'm gonna use one of these big red howlite beads. I'm going to also use the black African glass on this one, because they're couples bracelets. We want them to, they don't need to be twins, but you know, we want them to coordinate, right? And then I think that red might be a little dark for the women's bracelet. No, that's not the right red. Oh, this is some nice, this is a nice agate, right? Like that howlite, magnesite, or whatever it is. There we go. Just need 2 beads. And then I'm going to go back to my elasticity, and I have some gunmetal crystal rondelles to kind of echo that other darker metal that was in the other bracelet. And I am going to start by putting on a rondelle. Oh, don't like that. I am going to find a round bead or a seed bead. So we're kind of differentiating these from each other with these tiny seed beads, or no, that they're not seed beads, tiny ball beads. All right, and then I'm just going to pile on the rest of these African glass, and I'll probably make it about 7 inches long. Super cute. I'm making it 7 inches long so I can wear it. I don't have anybody wear the couples bracelet, but I'll probably just pair that with some other more rustic tribal jewelry that I wear. All right, I've got enough beads on there. I'm going to clip that pre-stretch. And then tie 3 knots, and then we'll glue. You find your knot, put some, sorry, my glue is atrocious. We know this. Put some glue on that knot, and then I'll put some glue on this knot. And then we'll pull the strings, tying the knots just a couple times to work that glue in there. And trim our little ends. And slide that into the bead. Oh. Okay, and there are our couples bracelets. They look like they coordinate the black, the color scheme, the tone of the metals, and the coordinating African glass are what really tie these together, even though this one's a brighter red and this one doesn't have hearts on it. But if you saw a couple wearing these, you'd say, oh yeah, they coordinate. I think they're super cute. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Promise you, she is awake sometimes, but for the most part, she's a sleeper. Yeah, she's a sleeper. Here she is. Good morning. Even though it's almost dinner time.